Students, welcome to SP classes of class 10. Today let's see our exercise 8.3 Introduction to Trigonometry chapter. But before going this, we will discuss some trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. What do you mean by complementary angles? When any two angles A plus B, like these two type angles are, these two angles sum must be equal to 90 degree, means we can tell as complementary angles. If suppose the sum of two angles sum must be equal to 180 degree, means we will tell as supplementary angles. And I will ask you one question. What we will call if any sum of two angles equal to 360 degree? For that, what we will call? You tell that answer in comment box. Okay. Now, some trigonometric complementary ratios means like that: sine 90 minus A is equal to cos A. Okay. Meanwhile, here cos 90 minus A is equal to sine A. Complementary co we must get in any of the changing form. Here sine is there, here 0 is not there, means co form is not there, 0 is not there, so here we changed it as cos. So here 0 is there, so for that we are changing as sine, means 0 factor we are changing as without 0 one type. Just it's the logic. And here next one, tan 90 minus A is equal to cot A. Here it's not a 0 and here we got a 0. Cot 90 minus A is equal to tan A. These two and these two are complementary angles each other. And here cosecant 90 minus A is equal to secant A. Secant 90 minus A is equal to cosecant A. These six we have to remember in all the forms and everywhere, not only in this section, not only in this exercise, except this we may get its use in anywhere, many places. And one more thing you all remember nicely, that is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. These all values we will get from the table, except apart from this 18 degree, 26 degree, 467 degree, 38 degree, etc., like this type. If we got to solve, means these all the complementary angles. These all the complementary angles we have to take in the another form and we may solve this one. And for this 0 to 90 degree we are having. So in between this 45 degree. So below 45, if any number is below 45 like 18, 26 is in this type angle we got, means we should not interchange this one. We should not change this one. If any angle is 48, 52, 67 like this type we got, means we can change this one. Only we must change this one. If we are changing both, means it will become big one and it will become small angle. So like this type we will get confusion. So only one angle we must change, that is after 45 degree angle we may change. Okay. So let's see our exercise 8.3. In this exercise, first question, what is there here? Evaluate sine 18 divided by cos 72. First one, what they have given? Sine 18 divided by cos 72. I told you all before only, this sine 18, this is the less than 45. So keep it is as it is only. We should not interchange this one. For this cos 72, cos form, cos 90 minus A we are changing as sine. So for this cos 72 we may got here. So we can put this one here. So this is, we are changing as sine 90 minus 72. I hope you all are understanding. Cos form we changed as sine form. So sine 18 divided by sine 90 minus 72, it is sine 18. So both are cancelled, we are getting 1. Next one, in the second part, let's move to the second part from the first question, that is tan 26 degree divided by cot 64 degree. And here again tan 26, this is the less than 45, so keep it is as it is only. This one tan 90 minus 64. For this tan 26 degree, and here 90 minus 64, it is again 26. So tan 26 is equal to 1. Both are cancelled. Let's move to the third part, that is cot 48 degree minus sine 42 degree. It is very easy, and this is below 45, so let's keep this one same as it is. So this one let's interchange sine 90 minus 48 minus sine 42. For this sine 42 degree minus sine 42 degree, both are cancelled, is equal to 0. Next, let's move to the fourth part, that is cosec 31 minus secant 59. This one we are changing here because this is a less than 45. So cosecant 31 minus cosecant 90 minus 59. Okay. Cosecant 31 minus cosecant 31. So both are cancelled, is equal to 0. I hope you all understood these 4 questions. These are very easy to solve. Just we have to remember these complementary angles formula. These are few formulas of the complementary angles. So let's see our second question. What is there in our second question? Show that something's tan 48, tan 23, tan 42 into tan 67 is equal to 1. So these 4 things is equal to tan form they are given. So is equal to 1, we have to prove that one. So tan 48, tan 23, tan 42, tan 67 is equal to 1. These all things is equal to 1, we have to prove. So tan 48 means here we can write as cot 90 minus 48 into tan 23 as it is because it is less than 45. Tan 42 again as it is because it is also less than 45. So again cot 90 minus 67 because it is above 45. Okay. Cot 90 minus 48, it will be 42 into tan 23 into tan 42 cot 90 minus 67, it is 23. So in our first video, in our basics video, we have learned cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta, and in the meanwhile tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Like this type some formulas we learnt in our first video. If you are not seen that one, you can go and see in the before videos. So here let's interchange this one. Cot theta we are changing as 1 by tan 42 degree into tan 23 degree into tan 42 degree 1 by tan 23 degree. Tan 23, tan 23, tan 42, tan 42 cancel. So we got 1. Hence proved this one. Okay. Do you all understood this one? Now let's see our second one from this for second main question, second part, that is cos 38 degree into cos 52 degree minus sine 38 degree sine 52 degree is equal to 0. So we have got here some again some these things is equal to 0 we have to prove. So for this cos 38 let's keep as it is because it is below 45, and sine It is interchanging as sine 90 minus 52 minus sine 38 into cos 90 minus 52. Okay, cos 38 degree sine 50 minus 32, that it will be, how much it will be? 90 minus 52, it is 38 only, minus sine 38 degree into cos 38 degree. See, cos 38, sine 38, sine 38. So all are equal. So cancel this one. Let's got, we got as 0. Hence, we proved this one also. I hope you all understood these two questions. I will give all the solutions of our NCERT CBSE syllabus. If you want, you can subscribe my channel and comment. You can share also. Thank you.